Welcome to part 2 of our series Python for Tweens. In this part, we'll be looking at what we did in part 1, which was drawing a triangle. Now, this is an equilateral triangle, and I will show you how to draw it using Python Turtle Graphics. To start with, we open our template. Now, the template was shown in the last video, so we open it. We rename it. Save as. We call it triangle. It automatically add that for us. Automatically add the file extension for us. Now go to the part where it says place code here. And then we copy and paste. So I will explain the code shortly. I just want to copy and paste it. Then we save, then we run. Okay, let's go back to the code. The only new thing here will be turtle.setheading. Remember, we are dealing with an equilateral triangle. So because of that, we have to set the heading. This will allow us set the direction in which the turtle will adjust itself before it starts drawing. So to understand this and to see it clearly, let's do turtle.delay and delay by 1 second so that you see it clearly. Sorry about that. So you see where it turns, and then it draws, it turns again, draws, turns again, and draws. So we know that we're looking at turtle.setHeading here, turtle.right 120, turtle.right again 120, and turtle.forward. So to draw a pentagon, you will need to use some math, but if you do figure it out, let me know in the comment section. So with that done, let's go into what we have to do for today. Let's go into drawing a triangle, a circle, sorry. So let's open the template again. Let's save it as circle.py. And then we do turtle.pen size. So the code runs, and then it draws a circle. Note the way it draws a circle. This is a circle of radius 50 pixels. This is a circle of radius 50 pixels. Now, we want to center the circle. So if you understand this, You understand how to draw with code. So let's go. Excuse me. So let's create a new file, or we can overwrite this one. Let's overwrite it. So let's overwrite it. Okay. And then save and then run. Okay, good. I know you may not have seen what happened, so I will show you. We'll slow it down with turtle.delay. Wait for 1 second so that you see it for yourself. So it moves down to the position that is 0, comma minus 50. Now, if you watch the first video, you understand the Cartesian coordinate system. So 0 is the x value, the y value is minus 50. Now, once you understand that, you then draw from that position and then you get a circle that is displayed in the center. So let's close this, open our template.py. Okay, so we're going to draw this figure. It consists of intersecting circles that are centered around the origin. So the way it works, I'll just show you the code, and then step 1, you move the drawing position to 0, comma minus 25, which is here. The width of the pen takes up 5 pixels on either side. That's why it looks different. And then in step 2, we move it to 25, comma 0, which is here. Sorry. Then in step 3, move it to 0, comma 25, which is here. And lastly, step 4, minus 0, comma 25, which is here. So, and then we can end. So let's look at it in code. Create a new file. We say file, save as. So all we're going to do is just copy and paste. So please follow along. Copy, This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is fourth one. So when you run it, you get the shape that we had in mind. So now, classwork. Draw a circle to encircle the 4 concentric circles using concept learned in class today. This is quite easy. So I'll do it for you. So we say turtle dot pen up, because you need to lift up the pen first. Turtle dot set position 75,0. Turtle dot set heading 90. Turtle dot pen down. Turtle dot circle 75. For you to gain clarity, I'm going to add a turtle dot delay. Yeah. Turtle delay. Okay, let's run it. So that runs and then it goes to the first position. You can notice the way it goes. It draws, it goes to the next position, turns, draws, goes to the next position, turns, and draws. Please take note of the heading, goes to the next position, turns, and draws, and goes to the final position, which is here, turns, and then draws. With that, we come to the end of this video. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.